So in the earlier video we saw about the Zigbee network and how a module can be reprogrammed from a router to a coordinator. In this video we'll see how to make two Zigbee modules communicate. For this one we'll again reprogram back the module to a router. So what we'll be doing is we'll be making two routers communicate with each other. As we saw here that the routers can talk to each other. So right now what I have done is I have two WSN boards. One of it is directly connected to the PC via the UART interface, and the other is connected to the microcontroller, and the UART of the microcontroller is connected to the PC. So here in the X-XTU module I can see the one which is directly connected to the PC. Now each module has a name or a node identifier. As you can see over here, the name of this module is Z2, that can be changed at any point of time using AT commands or from the X-XTU interface, which we'll do right now. So what we'll be doing is when we need to connect to a module, we need to give an address to the name of the module. So here in the interface you can see there's a node identifier and there's the value of it. So you can change it, like suppose we change it to Z3 and just write, this will write this, that is basically storing it. Alright, so let's look at our code. It's again the structure of the code remains same. We initialize all the ports, we select Zigbee on the multiplexer for the UART, and then we send a bunch of things on UART. So if once you load this code, again the loading steps remain same, and after that if you open Minicom, so now keep in mind that this is the microcontroller interface. Okay, so once we load the code, it says that enter the node name. So this is the name of the current node which is connected to the microcontroller. You can name it anything you want. I'll name it Z1. Right. Now it will say the destination node name. So the node to which we want to connect to. We rename that node to Z3. So let's enter Z3 over here. Once we do that, you can see that I am connected to Z3 and I need to enter data which I need to transmit. Alright. So and also let me put on like echo mode. So I'll start sending data from here, but then how do you know that you are receiving data? So in the X-XTU mode application, you can select this one, the console, and open. Right. So now this is the raw serial terminal. So whatever I send now from here, you can see it's being received over here. So keep in mind that this is not happening from PC to PC, from one application to another. It's happening between two Zigbee modules. The data which I am writing over here on Minicom is being sent to the microcontroller. The microcontroller is in turn sending it to the Zigbee module connected to it, and that Zigbee module is then sending it to Z3 module wirelessly, and that is being shown here on the X-XTU module. So this is basically how you establish a Zigbee communication and then start sending data, whatever data you want. So yeah, that's all about Zigbee. In the code you can see that there are some basic AT commands to do that. So here are some basic AT commands for Zigbee. AT-NI will set the network identifier, which we have been doing. ND will scan the network and connect to whatever you want to connect to. DN will connect to the network identifier which you want to connect to. So AT-DN Z3 will connect to the module Z3. ND will show you all the modules in the network which are available for connection, and CN will exit the AT mode. Alright, so yeah, that's basically the Zigbee code for you. Thanks.